Hi, and welcome back to Cotton Creations. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make your own natural hair clip-ins on a budget. So that's what I'm wearing right now. I love them. They're easy to work with. The hair is amazing. I use this hair company off of AliExpress called X Elements for my DIY drawstring ponytail video. I bought the deep wave, and this is their Kinky curly, and I was satisfied with both. So if you haven't seen that DIY drawstring ponytail video, make sure that you click the link right up there. So if you're interested in learning how to do your own natural hair clip-ins, then stay tuned. So let's take a look at the hair that I'll be using today from X Elements, and I'll put the link to the hair in the description box below. So the first thing you want to do is measure out a piece of hair from the larger bundle and cut it off. And as you can see in the video, I doubled my wefts. You can also triple your wefts. I decided to do some with double wefts and some with triple wefts. So then what you want to do is you want to go ahead and place one of your wig combs onto your wefts, and you want to take your needle and thread and go through the weft the first time. I like to start from one corner and go to the other corner when I'm sewing. So what I do is I start at the one corner, I wrap it around the needle and thread around about 4 to 5 times, and then I take it to the center and I wrap it 3 times, and then from the center I'll wrap the final corner about 4 to 5 times, and I knot it twice just to make sure it's fully secure. And then you'll just want to continue to repeat these steps. And the reason that I decided to double and triple my wefts is because with only one weft, it just wasn't thick enough. So, and it just wasn't enough hair, and I wouldn't be able to get all the hair onto my head, and I definitely want my clip-ins to look very full. So that's the reason for double and tripling the wefts. I would like to point out that this project is better to do with a straight needle versus a curved needle, but unfortunately all I have are curved needles, so I'm just making it happen. With the straight needle, you'll actually be able to go through the holes that are actually in the wig combs. With the curved needle, unfortunately, it gets stuck and won't go through the holes. But if you have a straight needle, it will work. In this video, I decided to do 2 bundles, and out of the 2 bundles, I was able to get the following clip-ins. I was able to get 2 sets of 5, meaning there's 5 wig clips. So they are the longest of the clip-ins. I was able to get 4 wig comb clip-ins, and then I was able to get 6 3 wig comb clip-ins out of 2 bundles. And this is what it should look like once you're all done. So now it's time for the fun part. Time to install. I'm using my clip-ins more so for protective style, so I'm just showing you my parting space, and I'm doing it with very little leave out, and the rest of my hair is going to be pulled back into a low flat bun. As you're clipping on your clip-ins, when you get to your bun, you want to just go ahead and clip it right onto your bun. Yep, right onto the bun. And since this hair is curly hair and it's big hair, you don't have to worry about anything bulging out or being like noticeable in terms of not being flat, because the hair is curly and big anyway, so you'll never know. When you get to your edges and near your leave out, you want to make sure that you're putting your clip-ins as close as possible to your leave out. It'll make blending so much better and so much easier. And this is what it should look like. This is how close you want to get it to your leave out. So now that we're done putting in all your clip-ins, now it's time to go ahead and start blending our leave out. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take my leave out down. I'm going to spritz it with some water, and then I'm going to add my wash and go products to it, and then I'm going to show you a really good blending technique. Now let's go over this blending technique. So the first thing you want to do is you just want to grab a small piece of your leave out and a small piece of hair from the clip-in, and you want to go ahead and twist it around each other, and making sure that you twist it until you can't twist anymore. You want to continue to do this until all your leave out has been twisted. I do leave out a very small piece in the very front, but other than that, all the rest of the hair gets twisted. And it is so undetectable. Like, I love this method and I've been using it for years. Now when it comes to the leave out on the sides, I'm just going to take that down, spritz it with water, put my wash and go products on it, and that's pretty much it for that. It's just to make sure that when the wind blows your hair back, you don't see your clip-ins. And of course, for those of you that have been following me for some time, you know I love to do my baby hairs just to frame the face a little bit more. So I'm going to go ahead and lay my baby hairs. I don't know why I thought I could do this on camera with one hand and holding the mirror in the other. But yeah, I had to end up going off camera to go ahead and fix my baby hair. And then what I'm doing is I'm just kind of teasing these curls out a bit just to make it fuller and bigger. Totally up to you if you want to do it this way, if you want to use like a pick, whatever method that you want to use is totally fine. Now look at this, like you can't even tell that this is not coming up out of my head. Like, it's so undetectable. Look at that parting space, like you would never even know. Now I didn't follow my own rules in the back. I got a little lazy and didn't twist the hair all the way down. So that's why some of my hair in the back is not blended fully, just because I got lazy. Alright guys, let's go ahead and talk about this tutorial and these clip-ins. So I used 2 bundles of their 16-inch kinky curly hair, and it's very soft. I didn't experience any tangling. I did, like you see in the video, I'm like teasing the hair to make it bigger, but even with that, it's still like soft. You can still, like, you know, get your hands through it. It's not tangling or anything like that. And I really love this hair company. I probably will make another purchase with them. I was not sent this hair. I paid for this hair out of my own pocket. I'm not a big enough YouTuber just yet to get free products. So everything you see currently on my channel, I have actually paid for and purchased. So with that being said, you can do lots of things with clip-ins. I probably will do a few more hairstyles to show you guys what else you can do. But I think with this look, it would be nicer if I was like to cut it and shape it. It has a pretty decent shape, but it would look even better if you like cut it and shape it and everything. But because I'm planning to do other things, other styles with the clip-ins, I'm not gonna actually cut them. If I decide to make another purchase, I may cut them. But anywho, I think I'm going to eventually color these just to see how well the hair takes to color. But yeah, I'm loving them. It's like so easy to work with. Oh, and then if you want to sleep with these, you can always just take a bonnet and just stuff the hair under it. But the way that I've been doing is I've been pineappling my hair. So give me 1 second and I'll show you guys how to do that. Alright, so I'm back. So what I use is the elastic band, and I just simply take it and put it around. And then I usually flip my head over and just pull the band up. Oh, I got these earrings on. Put it like that, and then I take the back and I pull that up, kind of pushing it forward a bit. I got my hairs out. And you want to do the same thing, kind of give it some slack. And that's it. And then I go to bed. I don't put a bonnet on or anything. I just go to bed like this. But of course, if you want to, you can put a bonnet on. And yeah, that's it. And then in the morning, what I do is I just slip off this elastic band, shake the hair out. I may use some water to like spritz it and shape it and get it all fluffed out and ready for the day. And yeah, that's pretty much it. And ready to go. So yeah, so if you like this video, make sure you give me a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like this, make sure you subscribe and hit that bell notification so you don't miss out when I post. And drop me a comment below. Let me know what you guys think of these natural hair clip-ins. Let me know if you're gonna try them. And definitely leave me a comment when you do yours. I would love to see your results. Thanks for watching.